Hey there, foodies and herb enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey into the world of herbalism and cooking. We'll be discovering different types of herbs and their incredible importance to our health. Let's kick things off by introducing you to some of our favorite herbs, nature's flavor bombs. First up, we have basil, the king of herbs, known for its sweet, peppery flavor. It's not just a pizza topping. It's a fantastic source of vitamin K and antioxidants. Next, we've got mint, with its refreshing and invigorating taste. Mint aids digestion, reduces headaches, and even freshens your breath. Then there's rosemary, with its earthy aroma. Rosemary can boost memory and concentration while adding depth to your dishes. Cilantro is a superstar in Mexican cuisine, offering a zesty, citrusy flavor. It's also known for its detoxifying properties. Now, let's dive into the kitchen and discover how to incorporate these herbs into a delicious, healthy meal. For our recipe today, we're making a mouth-watering herb-infused quinoa salad. Start by cooking some quinoa, then add a handful of fresh basil, mint, rosemary, and cilantro. The flavors will burst in every bite. Drizzle some olive oil, squeeze fresh lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper for a vibrant dressing. Toss everything together, and you've got a herb-infused quinoa salad that's packed with nutrients and flavor. Wow! The combination of these herbs takes this salad to a whole new level. And guess what? It's not just delicious. It's incredibly good for you. Each of these herbs brings its unique health benefits to the table. Basil supports heart health, mint aids digestion, rosemary is an antioxidant powerhouse, and cilantro helps with detoxification. The beauty of herbs is that you can mix and match to create your own signature dishes. So don't be afraid to experiment and discover what you love. That wraps up our journey into herbalism and cooking today. We hope you're inspired to incorporate more herbs into your meals for both flavor and health benefits. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more delicious recipes and culinary adventures, please give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more herb-inspired content. Thank you.